Has hit a little early. It's only mid-September and already we're dealing with flu cases around the 409. According to the state, Jefferson County is in the red, leading in the statewide case count. Now, technically, we're 10 days away from the start of flu season. Good evening to you. I'm Jordan Williams.
And I'm Brenda Matudi, but the state says the county is already seeing cases with both A and B strands of the flu. 12 News reporter Kayla Chote joins us in studio this evening. And Kayla, folks really think of October as flu season, but it's September and we're already seeing these big numbers.
Yeah, Brenda, Jordan, the flu season starts October 1st and the new data from the state is troubling. It has doctors on high alert.
You can't see it, you can't smell it, but certainly it then can get inside of your nose and your throat and your lungs and start the infectious process.
The flu and its symptoms are highly contagious.
Low-grade fever, headache, sore throat, achiness, just not feeling well, that dry cough.
And since it can leave you in bed for days, recovering and isolating is costly.
Most people can't accomplish that for various reasons. Most people live in one-bedroom houses, or they work in an office where there's just really no other place to work, or they can't work at home.
The Farrell Richards is a Beaumont teacher currently isolating herself from her family since her mom has the flu.
Anytime I know that anyone in my family is ill, because I service up to 171 to 200 students on a daily basis, I make sure I isolate myself, meaning I will actually live in hotels away from the ill person, because that's not fair.
Preventing the spread is as easy as wearing a mask, washing your hands with soap, sneezing into your elbow.
Before the pandemic, actually, flu season would come around and everyone would just sort of expect to get the flu, and if someone had it in their home or the office, they would just sort of accept it that, yeah, I might be sick in a couple of days. The pandemic sort of changed that.
According to Dr. Levine, more of you are getting the vaccine now.
Normally when the body's prepared to attack, it keeps the infection at a minimum, and that's really what we're seeing with COVID right now. And a lot of the flu infections, the diseases are sort of mild to moderate. They're not the severe forms that we saw 2 or 3 years ago.
The Texas Department of State Health Services report an increase of both A and B strands of flu cases in the Jefferson County area as of September 9th. I spoke with Beaumont Health Department today. They say people are already testing positive for both strands of the flu, A and B. They say this points to an early start to the flu season. In studio, Kayla Chote, 12 News.